go, cooking general here. Hey man, we finna do some dirty rice today. And the reason I want to do dirty rice is because see, I have some memories of dirty rice. I was visiting my cousins down there in Baton Rouge. And you know, they always do their dirty rice so authentic. They do authentic, and I like authentic recipes, but I also like my own ideas. And so I was doing some dirty rice for them one day, and I say, it's not gonna be authentic. So y'all just kind of give it a little leeway because this is my own ideas, because I want to eat what I like. You know what I'm saying? But I can make it authentic if you want me to, but this is what I like. And so I want to show y'all how I make dirty rice that they can't even live without. Every time you say, man, if we come up here, man, make some dirty rice. So I always got to make dirty rice when they come down. So I'm going to show y'all how to do it. Now come in and show you what you need to put in that bad boy. Check this out here. Now, we're going to start with vegetables. You're going to need celery, bell pepper, and onions. Now for your seasoning, we're going to use Tony's. Now, we got some dry ground thyme. We got some minced garlic, black pepper, and salt. Now, we're going to also use chicken broth and beef broth. And then also use my bay leaf. Now, we got the rice here, and we got butter. We're going to use chicken liver. We're going to use gizzards and ground meat. And then, hold on. Spank them right there. Man, I'm finna take this here down to another level here. I'm going to show you how good this dirty rice going to be. I'm going to show you how it's going to look and how you put it together. Cooking Joe, man, I've been doing this for a long time. Let's do it. That's some money. Oh, welcome to the Cooking Channel. Hey, man, we about to get that thing going. It's smelling good up here. Come here, let me show you what I'm doing. Now, check it out. Now, I got my ground meat. Now, I got it partially done, but not all the way, because you know I like cooking my vegetables in. So I'm gonna add my celery, my minced garlic, onions, and I'm gonna put them in there. I'm gonna cook them with it. That's what I want. I want the juices to go right through it, like that there. Most people say, you know, marinate the vegetables first. No, I like cook mine with mine. I'm not a chef. I'm a general. Now I put a little butter in this pan. I got my liver on here, and now I'm just gonna let that there just sit there and simmer. Now I got my water on here, and I put a little salt in my water, and I got my couple of bags of rice. I'm gonna add them in here. I'm just gonna use bag rice on this here one, on this deal here. Now, also got my gizzards back here, and they are boiling. Now, I'm gonna take me a bay leaf, add here, a couple bay leaves in there. I got one more back here. Come on here, and put it in with the gizzard. Now I'm finna brown this up and stir this here up. And you want to get this here, you want to make sure you get your liver done with this little butter in there. And your rice, all I got in there is a little salt and the 2 bay leaves. I got here a little salt, black pepper, and the bay leaf for my gizzards. And here I got all my vegetables in there. And I'm finna brown this ground meat. And come back and I'm gonna show y'all what to do. And what you, if you want to do, you know what I'm saying, you can add the seasoning to it too. I add mine right away. So I might as well go and show y'all that now. I put a little Tony's on there. Okay, here we go right here. That's my thyme. I'll go right there. That's good enough. And black pepper. Right there, yep. Now, I'm gonna stir this up and we come back. Cooking Jonathan to show you how to do it. Now, go on, ask somebody.
I'm gonna ask somebody, all right. Hurry up.
Oh, there you go, look at that. Cooking Jonathan, quick tip. Now you see there? They're cooking down good. Now, I got my gizzards, see there? Got them chopped up. I use my scissors, cut them up in bite-sized pieces. And you want to add them in there with it. We're going to stir that up in there with them, just like that. Now, the rice, I got it on. Now I got it turned off now because the water's already hot. And also I'm going to put them in here with my beef and chicken broth, so I really don't need to keep them on any longer. And my liver is coming out perfect. You see that how it's blending up just like I want it. Just like that there. And that's what I'm going to put it in my rice. I'll show you how it looks when I come back. Cooking general, ask somebody. Oh, there we go. Look at that. There you go. Now, see there? I added in my rice. Now I got my liver in there. And I want to cook my rice there. I got my rice dang near done. It's not quite, but it's dang there. And then, you know what I'm saying? I added some chicken broth. There's a little chicken broth in there. And I also added a little beef broth off of there. Then, I'm going to stir it around like that. That's what I want to do. And now, we're gonna let it simmer. And we about almost through the video. Come back to the end. Ask somebody. Oh, there we go. Where I come flying in here, because we are done. Woo, man. Now, I know y'all can do dirty rice any kind of way you want to. This is one of my favorite ways to make it. Now, there's other ways to make it too, you know what I'm saying? And you got to remember, I'm not a chef, I'm a general. Now, come here, let me show you this here. Man, look at that. But see, really, I want you to see the plate and I want you to see the details in the rice. You know what I'm saying? That's what you got to have. This rice here, I mean, you just cannot beat it. That is so good. And I served it with rinsed out beans with jalapenos on it. Now my chicken, I just made a regular chicken. It's got about 6 spices in there and a cornbread. But this is really, really good. Usually I get up to about 13 on my chicken. Man, boy, that dirty rice recipe, that's a good one now. You follow those steps, take your time, get it right, get your season right, you can make it too. Cook in general, man. Let's do it.